So, do you want to become an XRP millionaire? Well, of course, Austin. Who doesn't? We all do. Or Bitcoin millionaire, Shiba Inu millionaire, whatever, right? And Cardano millionaire. Okay, so we're gonna talk about that. Okay, and I got a gnat flying around me. I apologize if I'm doing this. So, what happens when you're recording outside? My studio is being redone and all this kind of. We're redoing our upstairs bathroom, and bedrooms and all the upstairs. Okay. Anyway, so I got a lot of stuff going on. So here's how you. So XRP millionaire. I'm going to show you the numbers, but I also want to remind you of, hey, if you have an investment, in this case XRP, and if you make 30%, 50%, 100% on your money, that is an insane return on investment, amazing return on investment. Okay. And I think we've got those types of returns coming to us in the very near future. Okay. So my point of telling you that is, don't necessarily look at it as XRP millionaire. Yes, I know that was what the title was, but that was to get your opinion, your attention. Sorry, not even talking good yet. It's like, awesome, lots of mistakes. Okay, I want you to think about like becoming an XRP 10,000 heir, an XRP 100,000 heir. Okay, I want you to look at it like, have a plan. How do I make 30%, 40%, 50% on my ROI? Know what those numbers are. Okay. Okay. So here's what I want to show you. So right now, the crypto market, not great, right? But this is when you buy. Remember, I've talked about this in 8 million videos. Okay. So XRP is trading at 68.87 cents. So 69 cents. We're going to call it that. Okay. So I've got this real simple stock calculator. I couldn't find a crypto calculator, but this is a stock profit calculator. And I found it over on Good Calculators. If you go to goodcalculators.com, it's free to use. And then you type in stock profit, or stock calculator right there, you'll find it, stock calculator. And you can do the exact same thing I'm doing. So what I do here is that when you drop in here, there's a commission rate here I take that to 0. And then all I did was I said, okay, so I've already kind of figured out the math a little bit. I said, so right now the purchase price, let me make this a little bit bigger for you here. Hold on just a minute. There you go. Okay. So the purchase price is 69 cents. That's what it's currently trading at right now. So if we bought today, and I basically said, hey, 1,500 tokens, that's basically $1,000. You can see right here. So that's right here where it says net buy price, 1,035. So that's if you bought $1,000 worth today, that you'd have 1,500 XRP tokens approximately. And then I said, okay, what if we sold them for $3? You can see where the math is going here, right? I know this is very simple math, but some of you guys don't think of it this way. And look at this. You buy it for 1,000, you could sell it for 4,500. Obviously, your profit is basically 3,500 with a return on investment of 334%. That's why at the very beginning of the video, I said, look at your ROI. I mean, if you put 1,000 in and it turns into, $3,400 in profit, that's a really great return on your investment. Okay. So then you could say, hey, look, what if I did, what if I put, well, let's say, what if we went to say $10 here? You can see that $10 price, that $1,000 buy turned into 1,300, basically 14,000 in profit. So it gave me a return on investment of 1,349%. So from here, the numbers are not really hard to go up. Let's say instead of 1,000, you put in, basically 10,000. Okay. So you'd have that basically, you'd actually have more than that, but you get my point. So that would turn into 97,000. You can do the math. So sorry about that. So to become an XRP millionaire, a lot of you bought way before the current prices. I'm sure you can run these numbers and you know what your numbers are, but you kind of get an idea of like, okay, hey, if I bought today and my sell price, and then look, there's been discussion that this thing's going to go to $25, right? So if it went to $25 from that, a $7,000 investment would basically yield you a profit of $255,000 plus dollars. That's why I was talking about not necessarily focus on millionaire, 10,000 heir, 100,000 heir. I mean, hundreds of thousands of dollars in return off a $7,000 investment is that's insanity in a positive way. And my point to you is, it's one of those scenarios where, I mean, that could be life-changing money to a lot of people. That's a lot of money. So all I'm saying is that millionaires have already been made, and there's still opportunity for you to buy and become a millionaire. But to do that, you've got to put a lot in now at current prices, and obviously it's got to go up dramatically. I think going to $20, maybe by 2030 or before that is highly reasonable. I think that $3 or $4 or $5 moving into 24, highly reasonable. We got major bull run coming. We got the Bitcoin halving of it coming. We got a lot of good stuff going out there for us. Remember, XRP is part of Ripple, obviously. Ripple is a global company. More and more companies and governments are lining up to use their tech. I mean, what Ripple effectively does is move money across, borders, across international borders, cheaper, better, faster. Okay. In that their technology is revolutionary in that context. Millionaires will be made, yes, but 10,000 heirs, 100,000 heirs will also be made. Go make some money. I'll see you.